Yo guys, another day, another video. It's been a while since I've made one of these sneakers I'm wearing type videos, so figured summer's a good excuse to compile all the clips that I've been stacking. Starting with this first pair, it's a pair of New Balance 993s, made in USA in the classic gray colorway, one of the more popular videos on my channel. Unfortunately, this clip is the last wear that I've had of these because they're reaching that age and, there's definitely some sole wear. So I've actually sold these off on eBay pretty recently at a decent price. So be sure to follow me on there if you're looking for, sneakers up for sale from my collection. But anyway, good run with these. We'll eventually get another pair, but, have a ton of 993s in the collection that I need to get around to wearing. Next up, an instant classic, it's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, dubbed as the Lost and Found, or better known as the Chicago colorway. Not much to say about these other than they are an iconic sneaker. These will probably last a lifetime in my collection just because this is the closest we'll get to a one-to-one, colorway cut and everything to the original pair that Michael Jordan had on feet. I was also lucky to get these at the end of last year for retail from Renarts in Queens, shout out to them. Yeah, great everyday wear. Not an everyday wear this sneaker, rather I think it's better suited for the summer months. This is a pair of Nike Air Max 1s done up in this coral type colorway, and it's an all over corduroy. So again, you wouldn't catch me wearing these, in the winter time when it's dark and bleak and everything, but bright, sunshine, everything. These are an amazing sneaker. Materials are pretty nice as well. I do fear that the more I wear them, the dirtier they'll get, and it'll be hard to clean just because it is a corduroy. But I got these for a steal recently. They're probably in my last upload. Go check that out. Been wearing these a ton over the last few weeks. This one, kind of a sleeper sneaker to me. It's the New Balance 991 made in England, collaboration with Sneakers and Stuff. So this colorway is done up in like a Swedish flag type. And then there was another one that was like a secret colorway where the blue is replaced with a teal. I have both pairs. This one I actually kind of prefer a little bit more just because it's bright, it's loud, pops of color really well. I opted for the white laces because it is summertime with the white socks, looks super cool. I've been wearing these cropped pants that I got from Uniqlo and they look so great with runners like this. So, iconic look, shape and everything, and comfort is unmatched being a 991. Another sort of sleeper pair, or often overlooked pair, this pair of Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGs in the Volt Gold colorway. I remember these dropping sort of peak COVID pandemic, and they were flying off shelves, sold out. You look back on it, that was a crazy moment in time. Now they don't go for too much. You could find a brand new pair for significantly under retail, and even pre-owned pairs for super cheap. What I liked about these, or still like about these, is just the bright pops of color. I know the market has been saturated with Air Jordan 1s over the last few years, 3-4 years now, so everything is sitting on shelves. But these, great summer sneaker. Again, bright pops of color, perfect for these summer months. And then to take us home in this video, it's a hype pair, the Air Jordan 6 Retro, collabed with Travis Scott in the olive colorway. These dropped many moons ago, 4 years or so ago now, back in 2019. Not really a great summer sneaker. I mean, I guess the pop of yellow laces that I put on these does, contend them as like a brighter looking sneaker, but really it's a monochromed sort of olive colorway. It's kind of stupid, but I wore these to work when Utopia dropped. I figured it was a funny excuse to wear them. Pretty clunky, pretty chunky, but I like these, and the Travis Scott nameplate goes a long way. They're not nearly worth as much as they were, especially back when I purchased them, but nice to have in the collection, and any excuse to wear a Travis Scott sneaker, I guess I'll do. But that rounds up this video. Only have a few seconds left. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out all the links in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.